Are you suffering abdominal pain and cramps frequently? Do you regularly suffer the problem of diarrhea? Have you ever seen blood or pus in your stool? Are you an anemic person? Do you get mouth ulcers frequently? Did you find your weight losing fastly? Then you are at the right place watching the right video.
Namaste. I'm Dr. Anushree Muralidharan from Divine Veda.
Today's topic is ulcerative colitis.
In this video, I will be discussing
The various types of ulcerative colitis and the causes of ulcerative colitis. IBD or inflammatory bowel disease is a condition where gastrointestinal tract is inflamed. It is of two types, ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. Ulcerative colitis affect the innermost lining of the colon or large intestine. Crohn's disease affect any part of GIT from mouth to anus, mostly its entire thickness. There is yet another condition called IBS or irritable bowel syndrome, which should not be confused with IBD. Now let's move on to the causes of ulcerative colitis.
the exact cause is unknown, but many theories exist explaining its causative factors.
Overactive or abnormal immune system stimulation is a major one. The function of the immune system is to fight against bacteria, virus, and external invaders. But in ulcerative colitis patients, the abnormally activated immune system attacks healthy tissues and is the suspected cause of inflammation and ulcers in the colon. Heredity is one of the most observed causative factors. Ulcerative colitis is found running in many families. People with first degree relatives suffering from ulcerative colitis are more prone to this condition. Stress, on the other hand, is found to be an aggravating factor rather than a cause. Long term consumption of medication, especially painkillers, are also found to be a causative factor. People with history of Helicobacter pylori infection or suffering from this infection are also more at risk of ulcerative colitis. Now let us move on to the types of ulcerative colitis. This classification is based on the location affected. Ulcerative proctitis. It is the inflammation affecting rectum along with intermittent rectal bleeding. Proctosigmoiditis. It is the inflammation affecting both rectum and sigmoid colon located above the rectum. It is accompanied by abdominal pain, cramps, bloody diarrhea, and tenesmus. Tenesmus means feeling urge to defecate but the difficulty in doing so. These are the symptoms of proctosigmoiditis. Left sided colitis. It is a condition in which inflammation starts from rectum and extends to colon, both sigmoid and dissenting colon. As the dissenting colon is involved, there will be a pain in the left side of the abdomen in addition to the symptoms of proctosigmoiditis. Pancolitis. It is also called as extended colitis or universal colitis. It is the inflammation that affects the entire colon, right colon, left colon, transverse colon, sigmoid colon, and rectum. The symptoms include severe diarrhea with blood or pus discharge, crampy pain in abdomen, severe weight loss, fever, and fatigue.
There is one more condition called acute colitis. It is a critical condition where the inflammation affects the entire colon and the symptoms become severe in a short time. It requires immediate management. Ulcerative colitis is not a fatal condition, but in some rare cases like pancolitis and acute colitis, it may lead to life threatening complications. If utmost care is given to ulcerative colitis patient, the complications can be prevented. Otherwise, it may lead to perforation or rupture. Patients with proctitis or proctosigmoiditis usually don't have serious complications. Few diet and lifestyle modification can make a significant change in the severity and recurrence of this condition. I have made a separate video of diet and lifestyle modification to be taken to prevent the complications of ulcerative colitis. And you'll get the link from the subscription box below. Ayurveda has a very effective treatment protocol for ulcerative colitis. I have made a video on Ayurvedic perspective of ulcerative colitis and how Ayurveda treats ulcerative colitis. That video will be helpful for all young Ayurveda physicians and Ayurvedic students. So please do watch the video. The link is given in subscription box below. If you have a disease or a health issue in your mind which you want us to discuss, please do comment in the comment box below. We'll try to come up with videos for the same. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. We as a team are on a mission to create awareness about the importance of Ayurveda through YouTube and other social media platforms. So I request all of you to share this video with your relatives and friends. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for listening. This is Dr. Anushree signing out.